anything related to self is not Googleable. Anything. They aren't just questions, you know. They are mirrors. Whatever you are writing, they are doorways. They are invitation to self-discovery. And here is the beautiful part. The more we ask ourselves this ungoogleable questions, जितना हम एक दूसरे को ये ungoogleable questions पूछेंगे, उतना हम अपने करीब जाएंगे, अपना जो वजूद है उसके करीब जाएंगे. We will go nearer to our personal truths. These are basically leading questions that only we can answer, right? It is leading the pathway to self-awareness, right? And that's where real learning begins. Okay, that's where you reflect, you explore new perspectives around you. Okay.